Hello everyone, I'm Vicky. Today we are going to crochet a very simple leaf. It's suitable for beginners. We need a ball of yarn, a crochet hook, a yarn needle, and a pair of scissors. Are you ready? Let's start. First, we are going to work a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your pinky finger, then around your index finger. Put the hook under the yarn, then flip counterclockwise. And we got a loop on the hook. Then yarn over and pull through this loop. We are going to work a chain. So yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook. That's the first chain. Then we do that again. We need 9 chains, so go on and repeat it. We've finished 9 chains now. Every chain has 3 loops. The back loop, the front loop, and turn. We see another loop on the wrong side. We are going to work into the loops on the wrong side. We are going to work into the second chain from the hook. So, go into the loop on the wrong side. Pull through the yarn. Then yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet. Yarn over. Go into the loop on the wrong side. Pull through the yarn. Then we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops on the hook. That's a half double crochet. Yarn over, go into the loop on the wrong side. Pull through the yarn. Then we have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through the front 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through the rest 2 loops. That's a double crochet. Yarn over twice. Then go into the loop on the wrong side. Pull through the yarn. We have 4 loops. Yarn over and pull through the front 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the front 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through the rest 2 loops. That's a triple crochet. Now, please finish the next crochets by yourself. We are going to work a slip stitch into the next. Go into the loop. Pull through the yarn and pull through the loop on the hook. Then we chain 1 and join a slip stitch into the same place. Now, please finish the rest by yourself. At the end, we join a slip stitch on the top of the first single crochet. Finally, we cut the yarn and hide the end. That's all. See you next time.